Before we were dealing with the medium size ceramic iron. Now I'm going to deal with something smaller because I said they come in different sizes. And this is good for short hair, long hair, or just to create a simple curl. If I want a little bit more of a curl into her hair, I might want to use this because it creates a smaller curl. It creates a little curl that maybe I want tiny curls in her hair, so I can continue to twist this like this and get a curl. Okay, you can do this even on kids. It's very, very healthy. Like I said, it won't hurt the hair. You can take your time so it won't burn off the hair. But you see, if I just twist it around and twist it around, it will create a curl. If you want to get closer to the root, you might get a closer and tighter curl. And you can do this all over the hair. You can take the smaller iron also on short hair and you can create little loops. Okay, so if her hair was shorter, it would just create little small loops in her hair, creating small designs, okay, because it is for short hair.